The contractual teachers who had been making attempts to march towards the entrance of the Main Secretariat building in Shillong are still continuing their agitation program in the city. Following the protest, an invitation for talks from the state government to members of the Meghalaya Government Lower Primary Contractual Teachers Association was extended on Thursday, the 6th of October 2022 through the office of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District. On Friday, the Minister in charge of Education, Lahkmen Rymbui, had informed that the state government will reconsider the age limit of the protesting teachers to enable them to reappear for the Meghalaya State Eligibility Test or MTET, which will soon be conducted for them. This, he added, will be the only way that the government can help the teachers.
We will, as I said, when they meet me also 2-3 months back with a petition for condonation of age for those who have passed MTET, I told I will make sure, and today I conveyed to them that the government will condone the age for those who are on the wrong side of the age for recruitment process. So I have conveyed to them, we have tried to do maximum possible from the government. As the question asked, why when the RTE is mandated since 2010, why conduct the MTET in 2019? We conduct because we don't want to discontinue that the service of contractual teachers will discontinue. We want that for them to attain the minimum qualification as set up by the regulatory authority, which in this case it is the NCTE.
While responding to queries on the contractual teachers of the Dengre subdivision in Garo Hills, Lahkmen Rymbui clarified that the teachers have not been removed from their positions due to several reasons which have prompted the state government's action towards them.
There is a leakage of question paper when the test was conducted all over the state. So, and when we found that the leakage is confined only to the Dengre subdivision, so the test for all the subdivision goes as usual and result could be declared. And then the Dengre subdivision is held afterwards. And then after the conduct of MTET in the Dengre, we were supposed to issue advertisement. Then come the MDC election. Which model could of conduct happened? Then after preparation again to conduct the recruitment process in the Dengre, then by-election come. And finally, the government have advertised the post in the Dengre. Subsequently, the judgment of Honorable High Court come to implement the roster system because we could not conduct the exam even once. That's why those teachers they continue on the contractual basis. And in 2020, the Honorable High Court also has passed the judgment that the contractual teachers have no right for regularized session. So I have explained to them that this is the constraint. Regularized session is out of question. But the government will, because 3-4 months back, the contractual teachers, many of them have passed their MTET, but they are again on the wrong side of age. So today I convey to them what I can do, what the government can do is that a one-time condonation of age could be given so that they could appear for the recruitment process. So this is the maximum thing as of now, which we as the government will do. So, and regularization is out of question.